Y'all heard that?
Hey, say it's time to show you why I'm the best. I know you impressed, cause I am ahead. Fucking just but a couple steps. You know I'm up now, fuck up next. Time to show you why I'm the best. I know you impressed, cause I am ahead.
Boom. It's your right hand, your main man. No. It's your right hand, your main man, activated Papa, aka AP. I don't got it on right now because I'm trying to do that. And today we're gonna have us a little slight mukbang. They did not give me my sauce. It's okay. Yeah. Before we start this. I should go back in there too. I'm not gonna do that. Am I? I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. What's up though? No, y'all better. I missed y'all. I know y'all miss me. I'm back. It's okay now. I didn't even try what I'm eating. It's gonna be here. Boom. It is lamb and beef gyro from Nick the Greek. It's fire. They eat hella fries too. Me on mine, I got no tomatoes, of course. If you really know me, you know. Extra meat, no homo, extra onion. It's gonna do it every time. Who not? With the bev, light ice, on my shit, watered down. Come on now. I should go back in there though. Sauce my spicy. I paid for it, shit. I'll be right back. I gotta get my sauce. Spicy mayo. Gotta do it. But yeah. Sorry for the wait. I'm here now. Like I said, I was in traffic for a bit. Where's my straw at? But I'm here now. That's the only thing that matters. Y'all gonna, I got some heat cooking up. Bro ham. What's straw? Whatever. Doesn't matter. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at this. Y'all see that? I'm to the camera getting it out of here. Come on, bro. Yeah, the boy is back in action. I'm back activated. So I ain't gonna lie, I was deactivated. Just for a little bit, just for a little bit. Don't mind it. Don't mind it. But what all of y'all to do is though, tell me what y'all want to see coming up. Now, in the comments, there's no restrictions. I am single now, so whatever y'all want to see, put that in the comments. It's real. If y'all want to, it's whatever. They have a good time this summer. Are we already in summer? I don't know, but yeah, all that. That's doing it for sure. And if y'all haven't, go what did I just recently post? I think it's like a slideshow. Go check that out. I think I dropped part 1. I think I'm gonna put part 2 in this. it's probably gonna be like half and half because I ain't gonna talk y'all. Oh my god, excuse me. I'm not gonna completely talk y'all head off yet in this video. Just a little quick mukbang to the neck. Yeah, that's nice. That's cold too. Let's get it. I'm so player. I'm so pro. Yeah, what's up, hey, what y'all been up to? That's what I want to know. What y'all? And I'm more Street Beast videos coming soon. For sure, we getting back on that. That's how I started. That's how I'm finished. I was so hungry. So I wasn't even finna come here because the one I wanted to go to said they closed at 9, but I was about to, and they said they closed at 9. I'm like, what? But it was another one 10 minutes away. So I'm like, all right, cool. But I was about to go to Sonic. I didn't even know I had one near me. I'm like, what? I don't even know how to Sonic near me. This right here, though? If you know, you know. I just put my boy Tanner on. I don't think I ate. The last time I ate was like about lunch at work. And I got off work at 6 and I took my lunch at like 1:30. Yeah, right. And it's 10 o'clock right now. Oh, I heard that. That's a baby. What? I'm gonna say, what is that? What is that? This is nice. This is really nice. Yeah, this is hidden. I didn't know what I was gonna eat either. I'm trying to eat. Oh. Do not. I'm not gonna say this. Get your kid. He is whipping that thing right now. This year and on, only eating healthy. Cause it's like where do I start? Like, it's like the stuff they put in our food now. It's not it. That's all I'm gonna say. And if y'all want me to get more into that, comment down below. But yeah, we gotta eat healthy. But just don't mind this right here. This is just don't. But yeah, healthy eating. You gotta be strong like horse. gotta be strong like horse. Like me. Strong like horse. Yeah, the ones who know. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But we gonna get into all that. The healthy stuff, the natural herbs and the remedies and everything. All that. For the men for surely, cause you know what I'm saying? Like you gotta be, strong like horse. You know what I'm saying? Just in general. You gotta start young. I'm gonna have to hit that restaurant. Gotta start young. Cause me personally, in my 60s, I'm gonna be fantastic. I'm gonna be greater than what I am now. Like, well, I'm not gonna be all, oh, my back hurt or my legs or I got this or I gotta go to the doctor because I got no sir. Not me. I'm so sorry. That's not even gonna work around me and mine. I was gonna say, this thing recording? I ain't see the red light. That was gonna be ridiculous. This is beautiful. Yeah. That's what's coming to TV screen or an iPhone screen. Don't forget. Oh, look right. And I'm off tomorrow. Can't wait. I can't wait. What I got coming up? I got a trip I'm about to take. Like a far trip. Why is he running? I got a trip I'm taking soon. And I got another trip I'm gonna take. Wait. Yeah, but that's gonna be the trip. By that time, I'm gonna have my the rest of my shit together for show. But that trip, can't wait. I cannot wait. Yeah, that's gonna be the one. It's like, I'm still trying to move into a new house. So it's like, there's a lot going on. I promise y'all, I'm not just, I ain't gonna record them. It's like, I be having so many thoughts in my head. I just be having them. What I can do in a time. I'll be here now. I didn't came out the house, walked all the way downstairs. I'm like, damn, I ain't got no camera on. I gotta walk back up. Came back out. Damn, I ain't gonna walk. I gotta walk back up. It's like the devil been trying. I ain't going on like that. I'm sorry. I'm not even that type of person. No, sir. Yeah, that's what's that's the current of activated pop-up. And if y'all got, like I said, whatever y'all want to see, put it in the comments, because it's about to get real soon. I promise y'all. Real. I mean, this shit is real now, but it's not as real as it's finna be. Cause yeah, that's good emotion. For sure. But yeah, I'ma end out on that note. I'm back. Activated Papa, aka AP. I'm gonna go right now, finish shop. I'm sure already knew that. All that. And yeah. Get ready. Because if you're not, it's gonna be hard to catch up. And I will see y'all later. Be smooth, stay blessed, stay activated, protect your energy at all times. Because there are haters in the world. Ask me how I know. And just continue to be yourself. Peace.